This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 5th, 2019. So there I got a no AC call. I'm going over there now and seeing stuff. I don't think I've ever worked for this lady before. Probably never worked on the AC, maybe.
State Road.
No AC. No. Phone ringing off the hook now. I mean, it's hot out. I'll try to get you some shots. This bottom here.
It has to go on cooling.
Gotta go on cooling.
I know that.
Fan automatic. And then you turn it down and you push it on hold.
Yeah, but this has all different things.
Well, no, if you put it on cooling and you push it on hold, it'll maintain that temperature, whatever you set it at. So I got it on 70.
But I did that, but it wouldn't do that yesterday.
Well, we're going to check it outside. Maybe you didn't push it on hold.
I did.
Okay, well, we're going to check it
But
now.
you know, this is
So where's the unit? Is it in the basement?
No, it's outside.
You must have a furnace in that. Is it in the basement?
We have a furnace.
Okay, have you changed the filters inside?
Yes.
The air filters are clean?
Actually, you know what? We are due for a filter change. We
All right, so let's check
missed
that.
one.
Let's check that. See if it's clean, and then we'll check the outside unit. It's a little dirty. Now, what you want to do is you want to put that metal towards the fan side. So you had it in backwards.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Well, it has an arrow in it, and it tells us to put this arrow toward that other side. So
You had it backwards. See the arrow? Because the fan's in here. So you want it to. The metal goes towards the fan. So doesn't matter. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but you did have it in backwards.
Well, then we've had it in backwards every time since we had
Yeah.
this house.
See this? See the metal?
Yeah.
And then the arrow. See the arrow going
Yeah.
in? So that's the way you want to put it in like that, because this is a return. The air comes down and in.
Okay. So.
It's not that big of a deal. What I'm saying is you did have it in backwards.
Right, I know, but I want to get it.
Put the new filter in, and we'll check it. We'll check the outside unit. So this is a newer system. So what was the complaint? It wasn't cooling? It wasn't working? What was the complaint?
Thing was, we were trying to get it to go onto the cool now, right?
Right.
Because it was summer.
Right.
We waited till somebody was here because I have a hard time understanding it.
Right.
Because the way that they would, you see from the directions, it's very.
Okay, so you want to do is you want to put it on cooling,
Right, I know that part.
and then you want to leave this fan on automatic.
All right.
If you put the fan on, the fan will run, inside fan will run all the time. Then you have to make sure it's lower than the temperature in the room, which right now we got it on 70, and we got it on hold. So it's going to try to maintain 70. Now this is a programmable thermostat. You can go in and program it what you want, but if you put it on hold, it bypasses the programming.
The only problem was that the way that they had told us in the beginning was, to me, it had to be on hold, all right? So, okay, I had it on hold, and you're supposed to, okay. But then it says if you want to change it, you really take it off a hold. And what they show you is you shouldn't see hold there. But it wouldn't work.
Well, let's check the outside unit. It's working now. So you got to make sure if you got this on off, ain't nothing going to work. For heat, you have to turn it to heat. So you physically got to go from heat to cooling with this switch for it to work.
Right.
Now, when you need heat, you got to turn this to heat to work.
I understand all that.
Okay, all right. Well,
That part is easy, but when you start trying to change something,
if you remember hold, if you want to change anything, you use these arrows.
Right, I understand.
Right now it's set
all
at
that.
70. See, it's set at 70?
Yes.
And then you push hold, it's going to hold 70. Right now it's 79 in here. So it's going to cool down. Let me check the outside unit, make sure that's working properly.
So this is going to hold, but usually if you hit hold, it should hold for the thing that you've said to hold it for.
Right, which I set it for 70. It's set to hold for 70, so 79 in here. It's gonna cool down 9 degrees. It's gonna take a while.
All right.
It doesn't happen in 5 minutes.
All right.
I mean, it's gonna take a while for it to cool down to that.
Right.
So when it gets to 70, it should shut off.
All right.
if the system's working properly. Let me check the outside unit, make sure that's working.
All right.
Maybe that's what the problem is. I don't know yet. Well, we changed the filter, right? Let me check the unit outside.
Okay.
This coil's nice and clean. That's fine. Yeah, she just didn't want to set the thermostat. Alright, so we're 82 in here. Let's see what we're coming out the registers. Yeah, it's working fine. You want to shut all your windows
now?
if you want to run the AC.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We had just opened them because of how bad it was here yesterday.
Right. It's working outside.
Okay.
Yeah. So shut all your doors, all your windows. So it's 64 coming out the registers. That's me. So 79 and 64. That's 15. That's 15 degrees delta T. We're fine there.
We're fine?
Yeah. System's working the way it's supposed to work. It was just the thermostat wasn't set. So you understand how to work it now, right?
I'm just going to leave it now, right? Because it's like
I got it set at I got it set at 70. But if you wanted to go to 72, you could just raise it. Is 72 cold for you?
We in the winter we put it down to like I think it's 71.
All right. What about the summer?
But for the summer, I don't know. See, we haven't done it for such a long time. I don't really know what we would. If we're comfortable with 71 in the winter, I don't think why we're not comfortable
Okay,
with 71.
so we'll set it for 71 or 72 on a cooling. 71?
So put 72 so that it
72 on a cooling, and then you push hold.
Yep.
Okay? So
Yep.
it's set for 72 and hold. And that's it. If the system's working, I mean it's cooling. It was just you were a little confused about the thermostat, I think. So that's it.
Well, it kept going back to 81. That's what I couldn't understand.
Once you release that,
It goes back to whatever it
it'll
is.
go back to the room temperature.
Right, but he had already done that, and what had happened was it was actually going up instead of going down.
Maybe he had it on heat instead of cooling. That bottom
I don't
switch.
think he did. I mean, I was there for the first. I have no idea because when he went to fix it was because we were sitting here and we had the fan going, and we didn't notice it.
Was that your son doing it?
The son-in-law?
Son-in-law.
But so then he went, and he had already done it originally to get it, for us to turn it on. But
I'll change the batteries for while I'm here. You're saying how old are them batteries?
they've got to be 13 years old.
Time, and we got it on hold. Okay, so
Yeah.
cooling on 72 and it's on hold. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys, just left that job. I mean, it was an older couple and they didn't know how to operate the thermostat, I think. So I don't know why we're having a problem with the thermostat.
Turn left on Tucker Road.
I put new batteries in it. The system seems to be working fine. The outside unit's cooling fine. Delta T was fine across the, between supply and return. We're fine there.
Turn left on Tucker Road.
Sounds like her son-in-law was over there playing around with the thermostat and I think it was choking up, wasn't working right or something. It's working fine now, so. And a lot of guys would be out there selling her all kinds of pots and stuff. I'm not like that.
Turn right on Brussels Mills Road.
But there's nothing, if she's just screwing up by not doing a thermostat right or something, an old lady, I'll tell her how to operate it. That's why I like to use simple thermostats. You get all these programmable ones, and sometimes it really screws people up. Keep it simple, stupid. You ever hear that saying? Keep it simple.